Greetings and welcome to this brand new video. So Cyanide deserves another video. Cyanide is a tool which you can use to customize or tweak your iOS devices without a jailbreak. And the latest version we have right now has a lot of tweaks and customizations you can apply without a jailbreak, and in this video we will take a look at it. You can also add sources, you can also create your own tweaks. You can, for example, increase the animation speed. We have status bar tweaks, you can apply a theme and much more. And we have the quick loader which you can use to run a local .js tweak file. The device we are using is an iPhone 12 or running iOS 26.0.1. So it works from iOS 17.0 to iOS 26.0.1 with some versions loaded, and it won't work on your iPhone 17 series or your M5 iPads. The method shown in this video is completely free. Also, the information shared in this video is for educational and informational purposes with the only aim to customize or tweak our own device. Let's move to the computer and see how we can install it. Now, as you can see, we are at the computer and we are at the official GitHub page for Cyanide. You can see we have the latest version here under releases. From within, you will have to get the IPA first to your computer, just from here. And you can see I already got the IPA file for Cyanide right here. Now to install it, you can use Impactor, Sideloadly, iLoader, is your choice. In this video, we will use Impactor. Before you get Impactor, make sure you have installed iTunes on your Windows PC. You can get to iTunes from the official Apple's website and get it from here. Once you install iTunes, make sure you restart your computer once. Once iTunes is installed, you can simply get to the official GitHub page for Impactor, and you can easily get Impactor from under releases. Just scroll down and get the latest version of Impactor from here. Simply get this file and install Impactor like any other app. Once Impactor is installed, simply connect your device via USB and keep it on lock. Then fire up Impactor, and if you are using Impactor for the very first time, you will have to head to this gear icon, then hit add account, add your Apple ID. Any Apple ID will work. Add it, it will show up here. Then go back, and then you can simply drag and drop the IPA for Cyanide onto Impactor, and from there you can hit install. Once complete, you will see finished and you will see the Cyanide app right on your home screen. The computer part is now complete. Alright, as you can see, we have Cyanide right on our home screen. Before you can open it, you will have to go to settings, go to general, then go to device management and trust this app from here. Secondly, you will have to go one step back to the main settings page, then go to privacy and security, then go all the way down. You'll find developer mode. Simply turn it on. It will ask you to restart your device. After the restart, go in and developer mode will turn on. Once done, you will simply open the app. You will land here. Now from there, to start applying short tweaks or customizations, you will have to head to packages. From there, you can see we can change the dock color, floating icons, you can hide the dock, you can get app switcher, grid view, dynamic stage light, gravity light. You can also apply a live wallpaper by simply selecting it, then hit select video, choose a video, and then apply it right from your device. You can also apply NS bar. We have power cuff, which we discussed in our previous video about Cyanide, which you can use to reduce the CPU GPU speed to control the temperature. We have SP customizer. You can increase the dark icons and so on. So let's start. First of all, we will start with the stat bar. You can customize it from here. We want Celsius, so you can display whatever you like. So show network speed. You can also alter the refresh rate, then go back, activate. You can simply leave it on pending, so we can add more tweaks. You can also apply fast lock X so that once it reads your face ID, you don't have to swipe up. It will automatically unlock your device, just like some Androids offer. So you can activate it from here. We have drag coefficient, which will increase your animation speed. So we will customize. So 1 is the default one, 0.50 is 2x faster. So we will make it 0.50. Save, go back, activate. So now we have 2 pending changes. We will apply these themes in 2 stages so that it is easy on this device. So I will also add the NS bar, alright, and the app switcher grid. Apply. Hit on apply changes. Now we have 4 changes here. Then confirm and wait for the process to finish. Just stay on this screen until it is completely finished. Alright, as you can see, it says all tweaks are now applied. Done. Go back. Now let's check out the animation speed and see it is 2 times faster. We have the NS bar here. The status bar is up above. We have the grid switcher with the grid view of the app switcher. From under packages, you can also apply nice bar light. I will include that. You can also pair a newer version of watchOS to an older version of iOS by simply using the watch pairing override. You can simply apply it from here. You can also disable OTA updates. Let's apply floating icons. Install. We have now 2 packages more in queue. You can also hide home bar. Let's hit 2 pending changes. Confirm to apply them. Once complete, same, hit on done, and the requested changes are now applied. The floating icons, I don't know what it does, but I can't see any changes. But we have the nice bar applied and everything works without issues. I learned it the hard way. I tried to apply gravity light after applying all those tweaks and it did not work. To do so, we will go to settings, then reset all packages, then do a cleanup. Once the cleanup completes, you can go back and then we will restart our device once. Okay, turn it on. Once you get in, we will open Cyanide again. Go to packages. Let's try gravity light. Activate and confirm. Alright, it is now active. We will hit done and go back. You can see it works without issues. So you can try it on your device to experience it. It looks so cool. Alright, returning back to stock is simple. You can open the Cyanide app, then go to packages. You can simply go to gravity light and you can also deactivate from here. Then apply changes, or you can use the settings option, then reset all packages and then hit cleanup. Alright, once complete, hit on done, and now we are back to our stock device. One thing that I truly miss in Cyanide, you can see that we don't have a proper theme store. So if I go to packages and then select the SnowBoard Lite, hit on select theme settings, we don't have a proper theme store. Now if you are interested to get a proper theme store, you can use Cyanide X. You can easily get Cyanide X from this official GitHub page, as you can see right here. So you can simply get the IPA from here to your PC, and then you can use Impactor to simply install it onto your device. With Cyanide X, you open it, go to packages, and then go to SnowBoard Lite, alright, and then hit select theme. Open theme settings. You can see we have a proper online theme store right here, which you can simply hit on download, and these themes are completely free. Alright, hit on OK, go back. The theme is now selected. Go back again and then hit install. Queue and confirm and wait for the process to complete. Alright, now hit done, and now when you go back, you can see that the theme is now successfully applied. Now if you see that some icons are the same stock ones, you can try another theme to see which one works best for you. Now to get back to your stock icons, you can simply open Cyanide X again, then go to settings and then reset all packages and then hit cleanup. I did it already to save your time. After you do so, you will simply restart your device once. When you go in, you can see the icons are now back to stock. Let's try the dynamic Stage Lite. We will activate it and see how it goes. Alright, it seemed to be activated. We'll hit on done. Once applied, you will see this dot here. You can simply hit it and then you can select what you open at above and at the bottom. For example, I select shortcuts. At the bottom, I'll select Cyanide. You can see it worked. Now you can work with the app above in a split screen, and you can also now work with the app at the bottom. So these apps can work independently, and the good thing is that it all works without a jailbreak. You can simply close them. Now if you want to deactivate Dynamic Stage Lite individually, you can simply deactivate it from here, or you can also run a local .js file. You can also scroll down on sources and you'll find build your own JavaScript tweak. You can build it from here. To add a repo, you can add a JSON URL here and then hit add if you want more customizations or tweaks. You can also have zero wake animation, zero backlight fade. One more thing, if you want to hide these icon labels on your device, you can also use Cyanide. To do so, open it, go to packages, and then go to SB customizer. From there you can also increase or decrease the dock icons, home columns, home rows. You can also then use it to hide icon labels or increase the dock icons. So I will go with 5 dock icons plus hide icon labels. Apply the change. Alright, done. And now you can see the icon labels are now hidden, and we have a space for one more dock icon. It looks neat and works perfectly, all without a jailbreak. Again, if you want to go back to stock, you can use Cyanide. Simply open it, go to settings, reset all packages, and then do a complete cleanup. After that, we will simply restart our device. Also, don't worry, when you turn it on, instantly it will not turn on. It will seem stuck. So wait for like 1 or 1.5 minutes and then try starting it again and it will start. Let's try to start it up. Alright, let's go in. And you can see the device is now completely back to stock with all the themes, customizations and changes reverted. That's all for this video, guys. If you still have questions, please ask in the comment section and I will reply you as soon as possible. I will see you in a new video. Goodbye and take care of yourself.